Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add reverb on Soundtrap. So follow the steps carefully to add reverb to your tracks in Soundtrap. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to soundtrap.com. In the website, log in using your credentials, either email, Google, or Apple. Once you get to the home page, navigate to the project section, which is in the center. Now select an existing project or click Enter Studio on the Start a New Project to get into the studio. So I want to use an existing one, so I'm just going to click on Studio right next to it, and that's going to walk me into the studio itself. Now once you're inside the project, you'll be directed to the studio view, which you're about to enter shortly. Now in the studio, you can see the project is loading, and once that is okay, so in the studio, locate the track you want to apply reverb to. So once you've located it, so click on the track to select it. Now this could be an audio track, voice, instrument, or any other track you have already created. With the track selected, you should see options. All right, especially once you click on the edit option. So click on edit, just hover over the track and click on edit. Now once you click on edit, you have all of these options here that says edit name, fade in, fade out, reverse, effect, vocal tuner, vocal cleanup, voice transform, and all the way down to add to loop library. Now click on effect. Once you click on effect, it takes you here. Now on the effect, you can now change this to whatever you want. You can now add your reverb. So under the track effect, here you have reverb, and click on reverb, and it will apply a reverb, this reverb. So once you click on reverb, it will apply a reverb effect to the selected track. Now over here where you have reverb, select this reverb, and here click on that. So click on that to switch it off, and click on that to click it on. So reverb has already been attached. So from here you can now, of course, adjust the settings for your reverb. Now after applying reverb, you see a set of controls will appear for adjusting the effect. So you can actually use this mix. So you can click on mix, or first off, you can even click this drop down menu and search from any of these options that you can use: medium room, church, closed room, wide room, hallway, small plates, medium plates, big plates, rich plates, medium spring, big spring rather. And you can also use this low cut. You can use low cut reverb or high cut reverb, or even the mix reverb. So just go ahead and make the changes from there. And even here, you can head over here. We have voice clean the tuner. You can go to the next option and see all of those options here. Go ahead and make your changes. You see that for each option there is a reverb option that you can definitely apply to your track. So that's pretty much it. Now once you're done applying your reverb, go ahead and click on the play button, which is at the bottom, to hear how the reverb sounds on the track, and adjust the reverb settings in real time while listening to the track to get the desired effect. All right, if necessary, you can just tweak the reverb effect further by adjusting the sliders or settings until it fits perfectly with your track. Okay, you can also apply additional effects to complement the reverb, such as delay or EQ, which I showed you. And once satisfied with the reverb, you can go ahead and save your project. Of course, you can also click on export or share to export your project once you're done. And that's it. You have successfully added reverb to your track on Soundtrap. This effect can help create space and depth in your music, making it sound more dynamic and polished. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.